to open it.
Yeah, this is actually a good thing.
I know it is. It's like tight as a bow.
This video game.
Maybe.
It's a Wii!
It's an electronic Bible.
Caramel corn.
Still wrapped.
That's to carry all the time.
Oh, there's
The art of surprise. He's good at this. He's done this before.
Chloe, did you kick Amber out?
Person off, and you're a dog. Amber, come on, you can.
It's probably because she got clawed. Sorry, guys.
Pretty bad one. 4 months old.
Ah, very cool. Andrew, this will have many more notches. Very nice. I have wanted to own this.
It was actually very convenient you mentioned it the day that we did the name drawing.
Really?
Like we dropped, and he asked for money. I was like, okay. And then in the kitchen, he was like, man, I really have to buy Fiddler on the Roof. I
Okay.
want to own that movie.
That's very cool.
We were singing that at the first year practice.
Very nice. Somehow I'm going to have to hang on to these.
Yes, but
There's plenty of them here.
exactly. And then it's like a bag you can carry
And I
around.
already got a good present, so I guess if I lose
Exactly.
Thank you.
that, you trade me. That's really nice.
Bend over.
Get over it.
What's that?
He's just trying to catch me. I'm your favorite. Get over it.
You're my favorite.
I was the first.
That's right.
And one more present. I kidnapped Ron Paul. He's here.
Really? That would be cool.
He's like tied up in the closet.
Actually, we get pretty close to his son when we get down the way.
Kidnapped Ron Paul and brought him here. I was just kidding.